We're here at the Manhattan Federal Court in New York, where jury selection has just begun in the federal trial of a civil lawsuit against former President Donald Trump. Jean Carroll, a New York writer, has accused Trump of raping her in the mid-1990s in the dressing room of a Manhattan department store. So far, 9 people have been chosen for the jury in Manhattan Federal Court, and further selection will take place. One female potential juror was not chosen after she said Trump had been treated unfairly by the press and that she watches Fox News and is married to a minister. Judge Lewis Kaplan asked the prospective jurors if there was anything about the case or parties that would make it difficult for them to give an impartial verdict. None of the potential jurors claim that the fact that Carroll went public with her allegation more than 20 years after it allegedly happened makes her less credible. Opening statements in the case could begin later today after the full jury is seated. Carroll is in the courtroom for jury selection, and her attorneys have said she will be here for the entirety of the trial. Trump is not in court, and it is uncertain whether he will appear during the trial. His lawyer Joseph Tacopina has said the decision on whether Trump will attend the trial will be made on a day-to-day basis. The trial is starting 3 weeks after Trump was arraigned in Manhattan State Court on a 34-count criminal indictment accusing him of falsifying business records in connection with a 2016 hush money payment to a porn star. Trump has pleaded not guilty in that case. As of now, the trial is only related to Carroll's civil claim that Trump defamed her last October by saying her story was a hoax. Carroll also has a separate defamation lawsuit against Trump relating to allegedly defamatory statements he made while in the White House. Judge Kaplan has said the trial could last 5 to 10 days, and that the jury will remain anonymous. The jurors will be picked up from an assembly point and driven to court each day to ensure their safety from undesired harassment. The prospective jurors have been asked a range of questions for the jury selection process, such as whether they knew Trump, Carroll, their attorneys, or potential witnesses, as well as whether they voted in 2016 and 2020, follow conspiracy theories such as QAnon or the Oath Keepers, and if they believed in the Me Too movement. The jurors have all agreed that the victim of a sexual assault doesn't bear responsibility or any need of proof for what allegedly happened. So far, none of the jurors has indicated they know the parties involved or follow the conspiracy theories, so their impartiality appears to be fairly well assured. This trial could potentially set a precedent for future defamation claims against Donald Trump. It also might show whether Trump will find justice in the court of law or be held mitigating in the eyes of the public. We'll know more answers once the trial ends. That's all for now.